Hi sir, good day. I am Georgie Bitonio and I will explaining you the linear Diophantine equations and my examples. And this is what I wrote. And this is my problem of my linear Diophantine equation. So 10x plus 12 is equals 10x plus 12y is equals to 4, and the GCD of this is 10 times 12 is equals to 2, and 4 is equals to 2 times 2, that's why 4. So there is a solution. In 10x plus 12y equals to 2, and let x equals 1 times y equals to 1. So the 10 times negative 1 plus 12 times 1 is equals to 2, and then I multiply the entire solutions, and it will become to 10 times negative 2 plus 12 times 2 is equals to 4, this one. And since the least common multiple of 10 and 12 is 60, so I bring down the 60 here. 60 minus 60 is 0, and I factor the 10 times 6 is 10 times 6 is 10 times 6 plus 12 times negative 5 is equals to 0. So since this the equation is true, we can multiply it by k, and I add k here. 60 minus 60 60k minus 60k is equals to 0. Then 10 times 6k plus 12 times negative 5k is equals to 0. And this equation is I take it in here. Then 10 times 6k plus 12 times negative 5k is equals to 0, and the answer is 10 times 6k minus 2 plus 12 times negative 5k plus 2, then equal to 4. Okay, so this is the arithmetic operation of subtraction and addition. So if x plus g of x is equal to f plus g of x, then f of x minus g of x is equals to f minus g of x. If f of x is equals to x plus 2 and g of x is equals to x squared plus 3, then find the f plus g of 6. So the f of 6 is equals to I substitute the f function here to 6 plus 2, it will become 8 or 8. Then the g of 6 is equals to the g option. I substitute this one. I substitute here. It will become to 6 squared plus 3, or 36 plus 3. It will become to 39. Then find the f plus g of 6. The f plus g of 6, it will become to 8 plus 39, and it will become, the answer is 47. This is the multiplication and division. So if the x times g of x is equals to f times g of x, then f of x divide g of x is equals to f divide g times x. Then remember that the denominator is cannot be equals to 0, so that's why g of x is cannot equal to 0. So f of x equals x plus 2 and g of x is equals to x squared plus 3. So find the f times g of x. So here the f of 6 is equals to I substitute the f function here to 6 plus 2 or 8, and the g of 6 is I substituted the g function to 6 squared plus 3. It will become to 6 squared plus 3, it will become to 39. And find the fg of 6. So f times g of 6 is equals to 8 times 39, and it will become to 312. And find the f of g of 6. So the f of 6 here, the f function is equals to 8, and the g of 6 of the j function is equals to 39. So it will become to f divide j of 6 is equals to 8 over 39. This is my problem in inverse one-to-one function of functions. So given fx is equals to 3x negative 8, the inverse of a function may be solved intuitively. So the problem here, so we have the y is equals 3x minus 8. So we need to interchange it, that the y it will be x and the x it will become y. Then we should solve the y in terms by x by dividing both equation by 3. This one I divide it to 3, and to isolate the y, we should cancel the 3 here, this one, and it will become to y is equals x plus 8 divide 3, and the inverse function is this one, plus x will divide 3. And my this is my graphing, it's inversing each other, this one.